There's nothing like father and son spending time together on the shooting range. Accidents happen in a flash, so you need to be prepared. Introducing the Surviveware Trauma Kit. Removable MOLLE-compatible system. Heavy-duty zippers designed to protect your supplies. With premium quality internal supplies. The one kit you need to treat severe injuries. It is vital to stay organized with the right life-saving tools during an emergency. Great for your vehicle. Great for at home or the workshop. Water resistant to prevent damage. Because this kit is so well organized, it becomes your guide during an emergency. So invest in an organized system for you and your loved one's safety. Surviveware. Our kits do the thinking for you.